Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Anna Karen. I make commentary and lifestyle related videos, so if that interests you, make sure to like and subscribe. So in today's video, I am so excited. I just received my IPSYS glam bag. We are going to be reviewing IPSYS April glam bag. Now I only have the regular subscription, the most basic one. And let me give you guys kind of just a little bit more information about that. I used to get IPSYS glam bags back in high school. I believe it was like my last, it was like my senior year, and I got it for a birthday present from my mom for a whole subscription, like a whole year of a subscription. So I was getting IPSYS bags for a year, and then for some reason it like rolled over automatically, so I got them for a whole 2 years. I'm sorry, I think for a year and a half, and then my mom like made sure that it stopped. I was kind of getting tired of my bags actually, because I kept getting things that I just really didn't care about, and I was over it, so I didn't care about the bags anymore. The things that they were sending me was not impressive at all. Like they were things that I already knew about, that I already had, and I was kind of getting bored of them. So I canceled it, and recently I was like, oh my gosh, I want to start it up again. And so I did, and I finally received it yesterday. Before, I think it used to be just $10, and now it's $12, which I hope that $2 difference, because honestly it adds up. This is, you know, I'm gonna try this out for a year again, and it adds up eventually in the end. So I hope the $2 extra is worth it. So I have it right here, and I actually didn't look at my products before getting them at all. I got it yesterday, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to sit down and film this already because I want to open it. So I am going to open it for you here, and then I'm going to review the products. So before we get on into my glam bag for April, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Also, I am here for anybody who needs advice. I like to help people to give to advice, and I like getting advice in return. So I'm here for a friend, therefore a friend. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now let's get started. I just painted my nails. I'm not gonna chip them. It looks so cute already. Can you see that? So I'm gonna pull it out. Oh my gosh, this bag is so cute. I love it. Okay, and it feels like something else is in here. It's like a white box. Oh, it looks like I got some skincare. Nice. So here is the bag. It looks very cute. I really like the bamboo kind of ordeal going on. Really cute. So since this wasn't inside the bag, obviously because it probably didn't fit, I'm going to look at this product first. So this is the Murad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't have a lid on it, like a seal, which I thought was kind of weird, but it is in a package, but still, I don't know. So that's cool. I'm not going to be trying these products on because I already have a little bit of makeup. I used to use gel moisturizers. I used to use the Garnier Skin Active one, and that's when I was kind of confused about my skin type. I thought that I was very dry and I was more of like a combo skin, but I'm actually more on the dry side, so gels kind of don't really help me out. I usually use my Nivea Soft Skin. This is really good and it helps with my skin. I'm probably gonna try it out. If it doesn't work out, I'll probably just give it to my mom. Right, now let's go ahead and open my glam bag. Alright, so I'm just going to pull out the first item. So this is the YC Collection Loose Setting Powder number 121. I'm actually really excited to try this out. So I'm just going to pull, I'm not even going to look. Ooh, nice. I got a brush. That was one of the things that I really liked from getting my glam bags. That's what I missed, was receiving new brushes all the time, because I don't have a set. Like, all my brushes are literally from different glam bags, and that's kind of how I built my collection. This is the Araceli Grande blending brush, and it looks like that. So I'm really excited about this actually, because you can never have too many brushes. Next item I'm going to pull out. Ooh, I I love serums like this. Well, it's not really a serum, it's just a toner, but this is the Hey Honey Tone It Up Propolis and Echinacea Herbal Toner. I don't think I said that right. This, it says it's for all skin types. That's really cool. I'm excited to try that out. I think this is the last item. This is the Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's clear and it has like shimmer in it. Now, one of the things that I like that it has a pump too, but one of the things that was kind of annoying from having my older subscription was that I was getting too many things of one. Like, I was getting so much skincare. It was not balanced at all. I kept getting skincare and things that I was just piling up on and that I just didn't need anymore. Like, I literally still have them and have not used them because I haven't gone through my makeup to clean it out. So I hope that this doesn't cross paths like it did last time. Now I'm seeing that I have a water gel. Okay, so that's basically skincare. I have a toner, basically skincare. And I have a primer, but because it's part of my makeup routine, I'm not gonna really consider that as skincare because skincare and makeup I feel like are kind of different. However, there is makeup products out there that incorporate skincare into their makeup products. As far as that, I think that they're two separate things, so I actually don't mind getting the primer with all these two skincare items. I probably would have liked something else, but then again, the whole thing about this is that they choose, the organization at IPSY, they choose these products for you. Overall, I'm happy I got some products and I'm very appreciative. I actually forgot about this. They always have like a little card in their bags for every bag actually. And this one says Full Bloom, which is cute because we're obviously heading into springtime. I'm obviously not gonna rate them as in numbers because I didn't try the products, especially like on camera or like off camera. So I will probably just rate the bag overall with all the products included. Out of a 10, I would probably rate my April glam bag maybe an 8. I would give it an 8 because I really like the bag itself. It's really cute. I know that I'll get a lot of use out of it. And I like the brush that it came with. I really enjoy receiving brushes all the time. The primer, I have a primer that I use right now and I have not used any other primer for about a year, so I'm actually excited to receive it and try it out. It's an 8 because I think they could have given me something better. You know what, I'll give it an 8.5, 9 because of the skincare products. They gave me 2 skincare products. Also, if you don't have an IPSY glam bag, when you're signing up to receive them, you actually take like a test so that they can kind of understand what your skin type is, your skin color, the texture of your skin. They ask you many different things. That way they can align the products that they're going to send you with your skin type. They also ask you what would you like to receive in your glam bag as well. Just like they ask if you would like skincare, makeup products, but very like detailed. They'll say like, do you like lipsticks? If you do, what color? So there's different things that they ask you on this quiz while you're like filling out your information for the IPSY bags. And I know that I put skincare, but I also put a bunch of other things as well. This is my glam bag, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and do you guys get these glam bags? If you do, are you guys satisfied with what you get? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys are using this time very wisely, and if not, that's okay too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!